Hi, welcome back to my video channel, and in this video we're going to be doing the second painting stage of the eye painting demonstration. First video we did the black and white underpainting, and in this video we're going to do the colour painting stage. I'll be using a limited colour palette of Flake White, Yellow Ochre, Cadmium Red Light, Alizarin Crimson, Cobalt Blue and Ivory Black. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, I've started off by mixing a orangey kind of warm skin tone, which I'm putting thinly over the underpainting. I'm doing this just to take away the coolness of the black and white, and it will help me to select the right skin tones. I've started off painting in the shadow areas. As I said at the beginning, I'm using Flake White, which does have lead in it, so you have to use that with caution really. But if you're kind of worried about that, just use Titanium White. Titanium White's stronger, so you have to be a bit more careful with when using it. But I mostly use Titanium White. The Flake White's a bit more transparent, so it doesn't kind of kill the colours so much, but you do need to use more of it when you're mixing up your skin tones. So I'm just going to apply the colour in patches, and then when I've got the colour on all of the painting, I'll kind of sit back and have a look, and then I'll kind of do a bit of blending and tweak around with the areas that need adjusting. When I mix paint for the whites of the eyes, I generally put in a little bit of skin tone just to take the coolness away. Remember that my eye is in shadow in this painting, so the areas are a bit darker around it. If you want to cool your colours down, if they're too orangey, if you'll in the colour wheel, opposite to orange on the colour wheel is blue. So if I'm mixing skin tone and it's too orangey, I'll put a little bit of blue in it. If I was just using the Zone palette with just the 4 colours, I would obviously put a little bit of black in it, because the black will be used like as a blue. And of course, if the colour's too cold and too blue, you obviously the other way around, put a bit of orange in it. If it's too green, a bit of red in it, too purple, some yellow. So if you learn the colour wheel, you can just tweak around with your colours and adjust them as you're going along. This also, because it's a demonstration painting, I painted it pretty quick. But if I was doing painting a commission, I would kind of come back onto it again and kind of, work it even more and make it look more real. I'm not using any paint mediums for this as well. I'm just using paint straight from the tube. And that's the end of the painting. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe if you don't want to miss any more videos. And just to let you know, if you're interested in learning to paint, I have my own Patreon channel and the link to that is in the description below. So on that channel you'll find lots of real-time videos painting different subjects like pet portraits and still lifes. So once again, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one.